I just wanted to do a little review on this nail drill bit holder. Come in this box like this. It's actually pretty well made. Feels hollow, so I guess this is actually made to fit in there like that. Yeah. So it's kind of pieced together on the bottom, but I guess that just gives it a bottom, so it's not just open space under there. Doesn't quite sit flat. Like the bottom kind of sticks out some like a bubble. It's not fully flat, but that shouldn't hurt anything. I'm just going to place some tips in here and see what fits. It says it fits most any, so it looks like it fits pretty much everything. I mean, and most drill bits are the same size. Some might be a little bit longer than others. Like that thing's longer than the rest. And I mean, that's not that bad. I mean, for its price, it's worth it. I mean, and it's so big, it's not going to go anywhere. It might slide around a little, but it's not going to go anywhere. It's just that it's not completely flat. It's kind of bubbled out right there in the middle area of this, whatever this thing is that they pop in there to give it a bottom. But yeah, it works pretty nice. Nice cover. I don't have anything taller than this one, so they go in there a good ways. This is the only one that actually hits the bottom. I know that because it's not hitting. This part right here is not hitting. So it's going all the way to the bottom. This one's hitting the bottom too. Yeah. So it should fit pretty much anything. I don't think there will be any that it wouldn't fit. Most are the same. Like I said, you know, the same amount. You know, as big around as this is. Some are longer, but they're about all the same as this. So, yeah, I like it. It's pretty nice. I give it 4 stars.